The overall goal of this software tool is to extract quantitative image features that fall into shape or texture, such as gray-level co-occurrence matrix categories.
This tool can be used to answer some key questions in the field of radiomics. For example, you can extract quantitative image features and look at correlations between them and patient outcomes in radiation therapy. The main advantage of this technique is that it's open source, it's easy to use, and it has a long history of people using it for extracting features for use in prognostic models.
Radiomics has the potential to provide information about the likely response of a tumor to certain treatments, and therefore can provide additional information that clinical staff can use when determining the appropriateness of alternative treatments.
Though radiomics can provide insight into the tumor phenotype, it can also be applied to other systems, such as quantifying changes on normal tissue throughout treatment.
Generally, individuals new to this method will struggle because selecting the right settings for the different features, such as the bit depth resampling, is important. So it is vital to pay attention to these.
Visual demonstration is critical as there are many steps and details. Careful attention to detail is important for good outcomes in radiomic studies.
To begin, install IBEX as described in the accompanying text protocol. Once installed, load IBEX and create a new user in order to import and save your data. Next, click on the import icon and select either the DICOM or Pinnacle file version 9 format by clicking on the name of the format and then click Next. To import all of the patients at once, check the Batch folder box in the top right corner and then click on the More button next to the listed directory. Select the folder that contains all patient folders with their corresponding DICOM images and radiation DICOM.